Hello, I'm Derek Williams. I get to be the instructor for your Math 525 Real Analysis for Teachers course. I'm incredibly excited about the course, and I wanted to take a moment to welcome you, as well as give you a little bit of information about how the course will be structured so that you are familiar with some of the tools and the learning environment that we will be working in this semester. So, you will see that when you jump into D2L, you will select our course and you will be brought here. This is just a generic background. Here is where you will see announcements as I post them. I will likely make a weekly announcement, and soon you can expect a welcome to the course announcement to pop up here as well. You can navigate a little bit through here. However, I would suggest just going straight to the content, discussions, or assignments tabs up here at the top, as these will be the most useful to you as we proceed through the course. So I'm going to begin with content. The content will send you straight to a table of contents where you can see on the left a navigation pane. Obviously, these weekly activities will be updated as we go through the course, and they will be released to you with appropriate time for you to complete any and all assignments. So the first thing that you'll be brought to is just a course overview and getting started section. You can read through this, but there is information in this section for you to read, as well as a complete and full copy of the syllabus down here should you choose to download it. However, all of the information on the syllabus is contained within these various links. So something that I would like to highlight first is just the weekly pacing guide and participation to communicate a few of my expectations, as well as to orient you to what D2L would look like for one, as well as for how we will navigate the course together. So each week will consist of two primary activities. Those activities I have called Read, Reflect, and Collaborate, and the other activity is Engage with Mathematics. I am defining a week as starting at midnight on Thursday night, which would be 12 a.m. on Friday morning, and continuing through till the following Thursday just before 12 a.m. again. So that is what constitutes a week. And in that space, you are expected to work through the Engage with Mathematics activities throughout. And then there will be two midweek deadlines for assignments in the Read, Reflect, and Collaborate sections. So as this graphic is intending to show, your first read and reflection, you will be expected to make an initial post from your interpretations and understandings of the readings to prompts that I provide by Sunday at midnight. Then you have a couple of days to read through the posts of others and respond to at least two other posts. And we will continue that collaboration through the end of the week. Now, sometimes you will be expected to engage with a couple of tasks in the Engage with Mathematics sections prior to the reading being available to you. And in those situations, you will be informed ahead of time, but also the purpose for that is to give you an opportunity to engage with a task prior to reading about that particular task and seeing how students or others have engaged with that task. So there is a purpose for the controlled release in those situations. So in terms of expectations for students and for myself, I expect that you complete all readings and make an initial post appropriate to the appropriate discussion forums that demonstrate thoughtful reflection. You are expected to think critically and make meaningful contributions to the discussion forums, and that also includes your posts to as replies to other individuals' posts. So please remember that this space is for thoughtful contributions to the course to help all of us learn about real analysis together. For myself, I expect myself to post to all of the discussion forums. For the most part, these will be in the form of questions to motivate a conversation or to provide some sort of wrap-up or summary to the collaboration and point out the key features of the conversation that I believe are important for everybody to continue to think about as we move forward. I will also make sure that all discussion prompts and assignments are released with the appropriate amount of time for students to complete those assignments, and I will make and provide meaningful feedback to you all on the various items that we work through in the course. So the second thing that I'd like to talk about is just the overall layout for individual weeks. So each week you'll open up, and on the left you can see it, but each week there will be sections for content and materials. So this will be where things like lecture notes or tasks or other items are posted for you to review and read. The read, reflect, and discuss section will have links to the appropriate discussion forums, as well as PDF copies of any articles, should they come from places outside of the textbook. Then the Engage with Mathematics sections will have Dropbox folders for you to upload any assignments, as well as the links to handouts or worksheets or problem sets themselves. So once again, I am Derek Williams, and I'm super excited to be working with you in this real analysis course. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you all.